So in the countryside, when the open fields started to disappear, means the common lands, they were enclosed. So the cottagers, the poor peasants had now to look for an alternative source of income, because their basic source of income was disappearing. They used to go to the common fields, forests, and collect the firewood and fruits and everything. But that's getting disturbed, it's getting enclosed. So during this time, the merchants came around the places, came to their own homes, and offered them advances and payments. In return, they have to produce the product for them and give it back. So the peasants welcomed the merchants like anything, because this was a time where their own common lands were getting enclosed. So they were looking for the sources of income. At the same time, when you go and offer something, definitely they will welcome it. The same thing happened here as well. So the income from proto-industrial production supplemented, means it became a substitute for their shrinking income. As the income started to fall down, the common land started to disappear. At the same time, the merchants came and offered them some amount of money, which became their supplement, means some support for them for cultivation. It allowed them as a fuller use of their family labor resource. So the entire family worked in producing the goods which are requested by the merchants. So when within the system, a close relation developed between the towns and the countryside. So as a merchants, they could not expand in the town, they came towards the countryside. In the countryside, the situation was they were not in a position to produce anything because their common lands were enclosed. So when they were looking for an alternative, they found the merchants coming and giving them a golden opportunity for them. So income from the proto-industrialization period or production supplemented their shrinking income. So it became a support for them from cultivation. So it allowed them to use their entire family resources for work. So with this system, it developed a kind of relationship between the towns and the countryside. Merchants were based on the towns, they used to make them work in the countryside. Like that, the relation started to develop. So the finishing was done in London before the export merchant sold the cloth in the international market. So they used to sell after they take it to London and finish the branding it or putting the label or anything, and they used to sell it to international market. That is how the production used to happen in the countryside, and it used to be supplied to the towns through merchants. Then merchants used to take it to London, and from there it is sold to the international market. Notes. Students can copy the notes here. So whenever you are watching the video, you can pause the video and you can copy the notes if needed. So that is the introduction of the chapter, the age of industrialization.